MacBook gaming, retro, modern, unboxings, and all things geek.
Subscribe to Damien Plays and Stuff and hit the like button.
Severe weather incoming, stay alert.
Outage. Again. Food melts. Milk spoils. Medicine at risk. Life shouldn't stop like this. Meet BLUETTI FridgePower, your fridge's quiet guardian. It's ultra thin, only 2.95 inches thin. It fits almost anywhere. On top, on the cabinet, or on the wall. Saving space while staying elegant. It's smart. Before any storm, your app alerts instantly, and FridgePower auto charges to keep you ready. It's steady. When the power goes out, FridgePower takes over right away automatically. It's industry-leading, efficient, up to 70% more efficient than the others. Almost half-day longer runtime on the same power. It's versatile. Beyond your fridge, FridgePower keeps essentials running with just one power strip. It grows with you. With modular design, add BlueCell 200 battery modules anytime for longer backup.
Alexa, what's the battery level of my FridgePower?
Your FridgePower is at 98%.
At home or away, your fridge and everything you care about stay safe.
Wow!
No power worries. No interruptions. Enjoy every moment. FridgePower. Peace of mind, always.
Subscribe to Damien Plays and Stuff and hit the like button.